All right, Anthony, I'm going to put you on the spot. I'm going to ask the question everybody wants to know. Give me the number. I've been seeing the emails Dustin sent out about making 30-something thousand every 13 days. But give me your number. How much money have you made personally in your personal account trading oil so far in 2020?
Ross, I've made north of 400,000 to be almost exact, about 439,000 and change from year.
439,000.
Yeah, this year alone. Yeah, it's been a special year to say the very least.
Well, I was going to ask about that because some people have a great quarter or a great year, and like the guy from the Big Short movie, for example, he made a fortune shorting the housing market. Hadn't done much since. All he's done is have subpar performance.
Right.
So I'm going to ask you another hard question. Last year, I know you don't like talking about the money, but I'm pressuring you on this one.
It's okay.
What'd you make last year trading?
A little north of 380,000, about 383 and change. So we're
383 last year. You're over 439. You said this year. We still got several months to go.
Yep.
So clearly, this is not a fluke. I know you've been doing this for a lot of years. Obviously, you had the hard couple of years up front, right? You struggled like anyone else. You took your losses.
Absolutely.
But it seems like you are extremely consistent now. Is that pretty fair to say?
Correct. The past 5 or 6 years have been consistent six-figure years.
Wow.
Through all the early pain and suffering, it's finally paying. It's finally paying off. In tenfold.
Well, look,
so it's good.
I love that it's paying off for you, and I love that you're going to share this with people. Anyone who doesn't know, Anthony is doing a live webinar with our friend Dustin this coming Thursday. It's at 1 p.m. Eastern time. This Thursday, September the 24th at 1 p.m. Mark your calendar, write it on a Post-it note. You guys are going to get an unfiltered view from my man Anthony here, a real trader who's going to show you his real account statements. There's nothing to hide, real trades, and shorten your learning curve and show you his methodology. And as far as I know, it's a fairly simple method using, right? Too, is that right, Anthony?
Extremely, very passive, very passive.
Yeah,
minimal time commitment.
The best plans are the simplest ones, right?
Always.
Well, look, man, you're the real deal. I love it. That's why I'm excited to see it. You know as well as I do, there's a lot of wannabes in this business out there trying to be a guru, and they don't have the statements to back it up. They haven't been doing this very long. But you've got consistent earnings. You've got statements to back it up. You've got a simple method you're going to share with everybody.
Absolutely.
I can't wait to see it. And if I'm understanding correctly, you've never shared this before. Is that right?
No, this is the first time ever that I'm publicly sharing any of this. The methodology, the trading statement accounts, my actual charts. I mean, this is new and different for me, and it's been an extremely humbling experience. It really has.
Well, I know, Dustin told me about you over a year ago, when you and I first met, started talking and was bragging on you. It's just a trader he met, and I know he had to kind of twist your arm and convince you to come do this, but I think you're going to help a lot of people, and I'm excited for you to share it.
That's the goal.
Again, folks, this is something that's never been public before.
Never.
I don't know if or when he's going to do it again, but you do not want to miss this live event this Thursday, 1 p.m. Eastern. Anthony, one more question, I'll let you go.
Sure.
What is that beautiful piece of machinery behind you?
That is a 1964 Cadillac sedan. She's a fine piece of art, let me tell you.
That's a pretty car.
Thank you. Yep, I appreciate it. It's a friend's car, and we're taking good care of it for him here in the shop.
It's funny to me, you're in the shop, so you guys who don't know, Anthony really does work at a mechanic shop there, and it's funny to hear you making 380s, $400,000, $500,000, these big numbers, and you still go to work every day, right?
Yeah, I love it. It's part of the humbleness in me. I like to get up in the morning and go to work. I like to be productive. I like to help people. So I've helped people for all these years of my life, with their car, and now I can help them, achieve the financial freedom that I have. It's like I said, it's been a special and humbling experience, getting to the point that we're at today.
Yeah, well, if I had to choose between a free tune-up and you teaching me how to make 6 figures a year trading oil, I'm going to go with the latter.
Yeah, most people will.
So I'm going to see you on Thursday. I'll be in attendance to everybody else. I'm excited to see it. I know everyone else is. I've been getting a lot of questions and emails and texts about it. So I said, look, I'm going to call the guy. Nothing cryptic, nothing hidden. Anthony, you're a straight shooter. That's why I love you. You're like me.
Yeah.
And I just wanted to put that out there. Look, I'm excited for Thursday. Thursday, 1 p.m., everybody. Listen, there's a link below this video. Be sure to register for this live event. Anthony's never gone live before. He's going to share his secrets, a simple, straightforward methodology he's been using to routinely make multiple six figures as a trader. He's going to show you his statements, show you the real trades, give you a complete look behind the curtain. You don't want to miss this. So jot down a note. Be sure to register. And Anthony, I'll see you Thursday, buddy.
You got it, brother. I'll talk to you soon.
All right. Thanks, man.
You too. Bye-bye.